Hello and welcome. My name is Patrick Toby, licensed marriage and family therapist with Equanimity Counseling and Consulting. Have you ever been hypnotized before? And they tell me no. I go on to explain that we are in and out of hypnosis, that hypnotic state, all day long in different ways and different times. Two very specific times is when you're falling asleep just before you go to deep sleep, and when you're coming out of deep sleep and starting to wake up in the morning. And those two spots are that hypnagogic or theta state. And those are great spots to program yourself. If you want to have a horrible day, think about all the terrible things you got to do and tell yourself it's going to be horrible. And guess what? It's probably going to feel horrible. But because you're making suggestions to yourself while you're in that very early morning theta state of waking up out of sleep, those suggestions, those ideas, those images go deep and they become true for you. So just be careful on what you're telling yourself when you're waking up in the morning or when you're falling asleep at night. Those two spaces, we go into that theta state and that trance state, and that's where we can tell ourselves what kind of life we want to have and what our brain should be focusing on. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.